Okay, a very, very good afternoon to you, sir. What is your good name?
Vincent D'souza.
Okay, Mr. Vincent, tell me about your startup. What is the idea behind it and concept behind it?
So my startup is basically called Tech Connect Pro IT Services. We are a cloud services organization. The idea behind starting the startup was a lot of startups and SMEs or MSME, we're feeling it difficult to hire cloud talent. One, there's less availability, they're very expensive, and they don't have that much of funds. So I wanted to get my knowledge of technology, which I have around 12 plus years, and give it at a very reasonable rate and providing the services that enterprise get, so that they can also see growth in their business when they enable with technology. So what I wanted to strive was digital transformation, how they can adopt technology and which can empower their business to grow to the next levels.
Great, great. That is amazing for me to hear. It does, will make things more convenient for, you said, has SMEs and MSMEs. For till now, from the start, for the startup, from the initial startup to now, how has the response been for you?
So a lot of customers liked it because they have domain expertise, but they don't have any knowledge on technology. They rely with software vendors, and software vendors have very limited cloud knowledge, right? So we unearth them a lot of different knowledge across spectrum. So we really don't tell them, you need to go with AWS or Microsoft or Google or Alibaba. We understand the business case, understand where they want to go, and then we suggest them the right cloud provider and the services that they need to use so that they can host their application.
Great, great. That sounds amazing. As we all know, that today we are at this amazing event. How has how all these kind of events have an impact on the new startups that are coming up?
So I think today what happens is a lot of startups are having ideas. They are building solutions, but the challenge that I see is these solutions are built with a mindset or with a framework of deploying in the old system, which are physical servers, which cannot be scaled and secured. So we help them to re-architect, re-engineer even before they write a first line of code. So then what happens is they are building a truly cloud native application. They do not need to have the experience on cloud. We come as cloud partners, we consult them, we sit with their team, we make them understand, and then they have to do their core job, which is development. Write the code. Once it is ready, maybe 6 months or 1 year, they approach back to us. Then we ensure that this is put in the right cloud using the right services, so their cost is optimized to the least that they would want to pay out every month.
Great, great. That is amazing. And you did give us a very broad and good perspective of what your entire startup is about. I wish you all the very best, and I hope you grow in prospective terms. And it was nice interviewing you and knowing about your startup. Have a lovely day.
Thank you.